Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix item not available in Apple Music. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue in your Apple Music, that whenever you try to open your Apple Music or try to play any music, you see an error that item is not available. So let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to close your Apple Music app from your background. So simply close it and then relaunch it. So it's the quick fix. If it doesn't work for you, you just have to try to connect with a strongest and a stable network connection. Or after that, you have to go back from here, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. After that, you have to simply go back from here and then go for software update and try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still not fixed your issue, simply open your App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, then tap on your Apple ID here, and here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select your country or region option from here, and you just have to update your billing address or your country or region here. So simply select your own country or region in which you're living. So I'm going to select this one, and here just tap on continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, select none option here, then add your billing address here. Once you added your billing address, simply enter your phone number here, then enter your name. After all, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your billing address will be updated. So after that, it might be your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, open your settings app, go for your Apple ID here, and here just select this sign out option. Tap on sign out and then select sign out, but don't erase. And here continue this step. Once your Apple ID has been signed out, you have to re-sign in your Apple ID. So after that, you'll not get the issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Sport app. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option, and here just look for Apple Music or the Music app. Select that, and here just wait for this loading. And here you just have to select this get more help option and select call us. After that you'll find a phone number whenever you want to dial. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.